The bottom of deck is the harmony. So, as you can see, this card number is 10, that you have recently completed some kind of a cycle in your life. That cycle was not so good, but now you are entering into the harmony, means you are entering into your peace and silence. And in this new cycle you have opened your heart. Previously your heart was closed, that means you were not allowing other peoples into your life, and you were not entertaining, and you were not giving any uh, you are not giving weightage to your feelings. But right now in this situation your heart is open and you are ready for new experiences. You are ready to welcome new people in your life, and you are ready to welcome new energies in your life. And because you opened your heart, you gained some wisdom, you gained some clarity, and also you gained some kind of positive changes in your life. Dolphins represent positive changes. Dolphins represent uh, friendly people in your life. So because you have opened your heart for your feelings, and because you have entered into your or you activated your third eye chakra, you are being presented by some good people in your life. Some good people are entering into your life, and because of the presence of these people you are feeling satisfied, calm, happy. And maybe it is possible that because this is a pair of dolphins, it is like the people who is entering into your life is maybe your a soulmate, or your some kind of a past life partner or something like that, who is entering now into your life. And because of his presence, her presence, you are feeling good, you are feeling happy. So let's take more energies. Okay. Yes, again the source energy is there. That means the source, the creator, the universe is helping you in entering into this new phase. This is the source energy here. What is presenting here is the source energy. So what changes have come to your life is because the universe is guiding you towards this harmonious state. And why this universe is guiding you or giving you this harmonious union with someone is because of this maturity. You have gained some kind of maturity in your life, and you have turned uh, your attention from outside world to yourself. Because previously you were more focused on outside world, and that outside world was giving you burdens and giving you um, the life which you are not wanting. And so you isolated yourself from the situations which were not fulfilling. You just isolated yourself, and you entered into your silence, you entered into your freedom, and you made a circle around you. Nobody or no negativity can enter into this circle now. And because you did this thing, you did this mature behavior, and you took this mature decisions, the source gave you this harmonious condition, this harmonious union, and this harmonious happiness in your life. And again this card is showing the same thing. Here is the pair of a tree, and here is the pair of a dolphin. So it is like somebody in your life is entering, and you are feeling happy with him. You are exchanging communication or energies or something like that, and you are enjoying this person's company. So right now you are in a very good position, you are in a good situation in your life right now. Let's see more. Now I'll clarify more. So okay. Okay, so this source card we have politics, hmm. And we have moment to moment, and we have totality. Why the source has supported you, why the universe has supported you, what I'm taking from this, that that you have taken off the mask from yourself. You previously you were living a life which was you were masking your feelings, which is here also, that you recently have opened your heart to your feelings. And previously, before this change, before this happened, you were masking your feelings, and you were like burying your feelings inside of you. And because of that kind of masking, negativity was growing inside you, and you were not happy. But then this negativity increased so much that you finally decided that uh, you will turn off this mask. And as soon as you turn off this mask, what happened, that you entered into your happiness. And then you also uh, decided that you will live moment by moment, that you took off all your burdens, the tensions you were carrying. You just put them down, and you decided that you will live moment by moment. You will enjoy every moment of your life, either singly or with someone else, but you will enjoy your life. You will enjoy your life moment by moment, and you will took off the mask which you have been wearing for such a long time. And you also decide that to live freely. You also decided to cut yourself out from the uh, previous burdens. These are the previous burdens. You decided that you will swing freely, like these acrobats are doing here. And you will live a life of totality. You will live in completeness. And because of all these decisions you made in your recent past, that you will took off your mask, that you will open your heart, and you will live in totality in a free life, and you will enjoy moment by moment. Because of all these decisions, the source came into play, and it helped you for improving your life situations. Now next is maturity के साथ we have the mister, the schizophrenia, and the sharing. Yes, this card you can see again. This is a wall, this is stone wall here, and this person is hiding behind the wall. So previously you were hiding your feelings, previously you were not coming out authentically, previously you were hiding yourself and your true authenticity, your true personality behind some wall or behind some mask, kind of a thing. And you were again, this man is hiding this treasure in his hand, and he's in a fear that he's in fear that somebody will what I should say, somebody will steal his this treasure. So you were in this condition, and before you gain maturity you were in this condition. And schizophrenic, you were afraid of leaving these boundaries. You were afraid of opening your hands, and you were quite frightened, you were quite fearful for entering into some new phase in your life. But ultimately because this maturity has entered into your life. Either you became mature or a mature person entered into your life, and that is because of the presence of this mature person, or because of this maturity into your life, you started sharing your joy, your energy, your pleasure with somebody else. Like, see the difference between the two images. This man is frightened, he is not ready to share, he is hiding his treasure, his feelings inside, and now this person is open, it is presenting the whole the thing to the world. So you have changed, you are matured now from this schizophrenic condition, and from this energy you have entered into this sharing kind of energy, and because of this good energy you are feeling this serenity in your life now. Let's see more. So this person in your life with which you are sharing your energy now, and with which you are communicating now, you for a very long time you were looking at this person from afar. You were looking at this person, you were keeping an eye on this person, and but you were postponing any movement towards that person or this person which has come into your life now as a happiness, which is your kind of a soulmate kind of a thing. So this person was always your light, always your way, always your destination, always your desire, but you were postponing to move towards this person. You you were trapped in your life situations. You kept yourself trapped, and you stopped yourself from traveling towards this person. And well, this person was this was your life path. You wanted to go there, but you were fighting against the situation. You were constantly fighting not to go out and not to go into the direction which you want to go. You were constantly fighting to like hide your feelings and like that, but ultimately now there is a change in you, because you are now matured and you are now ready to share. So now you have the strength. Now you have strength to show the real you. Before you were like this frightened camel kind of energy, and now you are in this strong lion kind of energy. And because of this transformation, because of this rebirth, now these sweet flutes are ringing in your ears. Why? Because you have shown the courage. You have shown the courage to change yourself completely. Now let's see something more on this. The outcome card I will pull out. So this is basically a good time for you, and you are feeling free, you are feeling happy, and good things, good people, good energies are coming towards you. Now see the outcome. Okay. So yes, this card is again telling about breakthroughs. Means you have come into some kind of wisdom, you have come into some kind of maturity. You understood the life more than before. You understood that your happiness, your serenity is more important, and you have break free yourself from your cage. The thing that you were previously, you were in this you were wearing this armor, and you were hiding yourself behind these walls. There are this, yes, previously you were hiding, and you were escaping, and you are hiding towards behind these walls, and you were protecting yourself, you are wearing this armor, and now you have you are break free from all these walls and armors, and you know that your serenity, your happiness is more important for you. And you have also break through what you have come out of is this guilt kind of feeling. Previously you were feeling guilty for, if I'm doing this or if I'm doing that, will it be wrong for the other person, am I going towards wrong direction, and you have some guilt kind of feeling. But now you are free from this guilt and all this escaping energy and hiding feelings and every that negativity. You are breaking this negativity, and because you are breaking this negativity, possibilities are there. You are now experiencing yourself up in the sky and freely flying in the sky, and rainbow colors are there, beautiful colors are there. You can, you have a broad vision, you are free, you can move anywhere you want, and you are feeling happy, you are feeling free now. Because, and obviously you are feeling free because of you own yourself. You have break yourself, you are made yourself free, and now you are free like an eagle. And again, here is the traveling card. So uh, this reaching to this point is was a far journey. Years and years you waited for this thing, but ultimately after this far journey you have reached the sun. You have reached the sun, you have reached your happiness, and now because you have reached your happiness, you are happy, calm, serene. You are with your ultimate partner, you are with your soulmate, and you are feeling very very good, very very nice because of this long journey, and because of this eagle kind of energy you are feeling, and because you came out of this guilt, and you make yourself free from all past negative energies. So I think the messages are very clear. Take what resonate, and follow the guidance. I think you enjoyed the readings, and thank you so much. I'll be back soon.